Yeah, I wasn't prepared for that.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys.
Hi guys, it's a sunny day.
Very sunny day.
I didn't forget my hat today.
Yeah, but you don't have it on.
No, I don't need it for now, but I will. It's the weekend.
You guys, it's so sunny and two of my glasses, my sunglasses, broke this week, and the other two that I have, the earpiece of them is so stretched out. If I hold on my head, they fall off my face. So I need to get me new sunglasses today, and we're actually on our way to town. I'm gonna do a little shopping for babe, and then I think we're going to go to the museum. There's a museum in town that I want to visit, so I think we're gonna do that first.
I'm surprised you want to go there.
Because the art museum,
It's
so
modern art.
so why you just say no is modern art?
I always tell you it's modern art. The name of the museum is the Museum of Modern Art.
Well, if I go there and I don't like it, then I'll just leave, but it just looks like something that I would want to go to, so I'm just gonna go and see. But we're heading out. It's Saturday, so I can't stay home either ways, so we're going to town to get some stuff done, and the boss is here looking fly. Say hello, say hi. Fix your face. Say hi. Nothing? Give them kisses. Mwah. Say bye. Say going to town. Say town? Yeah. Excited? I like your hair today. You like your hair today? You like your hairstyle today? You guys, I am wearing a dress that I haven't worn before I got pregnant with Tyler. Before I got pregnant with Tyler is the last time I wear this dress, and I can't believe that I'm wearing this dress today. And I'm wearing a slippers too that I haven't worn since I got pregnant with Tyler. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. I bought the slippers in Jamaica, and where I bought the dress, I think I bought this dress here. But yeah, that's Tyler's. Oh, let me show you guys Tyler's outfit of the day. That's what Tyler's rocking, and that's babe outfit of the day. Babe is rocking a kind of red burgundish looking top, green pants, black shoes, looking all fly. And this is my outfit of the day. Hold it. I'm feeling girly girl today, and my shoes is from Jamaica. I haven't worn this dress, guys, since Tyler, so that's a huge accomplishment. Showing my titties. That's a huge accomplishment to wear this dress. Stop chit-chatting. Sure you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Let's go. and I cannot go inside because I don't have my ID. Like, really? I'm just gonna have to come back. But I see a very interesting library across the road with kids in there. Seems like it's a library that I've been trying to find for a while. So I'm not mad at all because it seems like actually something good is going to come out of this day. I'm going to see if I can take Tyler in there, which will be super good. So let's see if I can get inside the library. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am too excited. I found a library that I can finally bring Tyler to. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And look at him. Ooh, go get it, go get it. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Come on. Come on. Where does that one go? Good job. Where does that one go? Where does that one go? Fine. No. No. But good job. Black. Uh-oh. Blue. Red. Yellow. Blue. Black. Green. Yellow. No. You guys, we and also Tyler had such a good time at the library. He actually didn't want to leave. That's kind of an assurance to say that he'll be okay when it's time for school. It's like it's just telling me that he'll be okay. I got up and leave him and went to search for books, and he didn't even realize that I was gone. He had fun, don't babe?
He had a lot of fun. Once he's quiet, focused, doing his things.
He didn't care.
Even me when I left,
he didn't care whether I'm gone. That's just telling me that my boy will be okay. Even though he'll cry, I know he'll be okay after a while. I'm just so excited for him to just start school already and just start daycare and just do it all. One here, right here. It's just being stubborn and it's just sticking out. Don't ask me why it's so short, and just don't want to behave and stay in. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna put my hand right here so it don't pop up in front of you guys and annoy you with this bump in my forehead, already annoying. Tyler is here. We're actually out eating because that's what I ended up deciding. It's hard for me when I'm on the road to go home and cook, so I think to stop doing this, I'm going to have to cook before I go on the road each time I know I'm gonna go on the road, because the struggle is really, guys. So we're actually at Buffalo Grill, and I am having this non-alcoholic juice. Baby's having coca, and Tyler's having colors for now. So we're actually just chilling and waiting on our food. Time food is here. Sure, yeah, sure. I'm having ribbon fries. Tyler's having chicken nuggets and fries, and baby's having steak and fries. Nom nommers. This is the real reason why I wanted to eat out, just to get my cheesecake. And Tyler is having his ice cream push-up like a big boy. Go! Everybody looking at my slippers. They're wondering where she get the slippers from.
The beans.
Yeah. Go, run. Say bye. Say bye. Give them kisses. My pumpkin is off to bed, and your girl is about to go watch Game of Thrones with babe. We had a really good day out today. Thank God I found a library for Tyler, and babe got some clothes. He ended up didn't get his shoes. But why we didn't go look for the shoes?
Maybe the time you are saying you're hungry.
So it's blame on me now?
Yeah, it's telling you, I'm just telling the truth.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
You want me to like, okay, it's not because we forget, so we didn't.
You're a mess. You're a hot mess.
You want me to like,
you guys. So he got some clothes, ended up didn't getting his shoes, and I ended up didn't even go buy my glasses and whatever else I wanted to get, whatever was the mission, because the library was too exciting, and then I got hungry. So we went and eat, and that was good, and we're back. So that's that, and I'm gonna give it the Jamaican expression for today. This one just popped up in my head at the minute I take up the camera. So the expression for today is gyalis, mana gyalis. That's the expression. If somebody say to you, my husband is a gyalis, simple mean he have more than one woman.
I knew it was bad, so that's why I did the bad sign.
So if somebody say the man they are gyalis, mean he have more than one woman. So all you men that watch my channel, don't be a gyalis.
Can I say the woman have gyalis?
No.
Okay.
You can't say woman a gyalis. You can say woman a gyalis if they're a lesbian.
Oh, it's only like they have more women.
Because gyalis come from the word gyal,
so it's like woman
referring to woman.
Boys.
No.
Say,
no, we would say woman money.
Okay.
Alright, so the Jamaican expression is gallis. Say it.
Gallis.
Right, you're gallis?
Not that I'm aware.
Mm-hmm.
You treat me a gallis?
If I treat you as a gallis, I can treat you as a gallis.
Okay, good. No, I'm not.
Anyways, what's the French expression or word for today?
Yeah, I wasn't prepared for that. Well, it's gonna be a French word for today, because we were looking for call it the library in English. So I'm just gonna say the translation of library in English. The translation is bibliothèque. Say it.
Bibliothèque.
Right. A bibliothèque is a library where you can rent book and
read book.
Rent book. You not say library because we have library as a word in French, but it doesn't mean bibliothèque. Library is more
where you go to buy the book. Right.
It's like a little store where they're selling books, so you're just going there and buy a book. That's a library.
So what English people call bookshop and bookstore is what French call library.
Right. So make sure to make difference between library and bibliothèque if you come to France.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. I really hope you guys enjoy today's vlog as per usual. We love you guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on your notifications so you get our videos 5 days for the week and bonus videos most Sundays. Catch up and keep up with love, you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.